we are set up for Colorfest. Show you what we got. We got a whole table with beach boards. We got our nice seahorse ones there. Got a real nice cherry burl tray. Coffee table with a 2-scale section of the upper Potomac River routed out and filled in with resin. We got a bargain bin. We got a whole bunch of nice serving trays. We have Lazy Susans. We got little serving trays. We got that centerpiece. We got horseshoe trays, more serving trays, bullet boards, an entire wall of charcuterie boards, a whole bunch of this nice burley ambrosia maple. We got charcuterie boards with shells in them. The real nice burl ones. Bullet-shaped charcuterie boards. More shells. River rocks. Deer antlers. Come on out and see us.